Hello everyone, you are welcome to this class. So in this class, we want to continue from where we stopped. We stopped at inequalities. We've looked at everything under inequalities. So this is the last part of the inequalities. So we want to look at work problems involving inequalities. So in my previous videos, we've looked at work problems, how to solve questions on work problems, the steps involved. So you just check one of the videos in my channel, you see the video on how to solve questions on work problems. So, but today in this class, we want to be focused on inequalities. What problems leading towards inequality? So, we have examples that we're going to look at that will explain it better. So, we have the first example here. So, the first example says, think of a number and multiply it by 4. Think of a number and multiply it by 4. Sometimes the question will not talk about think of a number, it will be like a number multiplied by 4. Right? A number multiplied by 4. But here they are telling us that think of a number. So that would be the first thing you look at. Think of a number. So let the number be. So that is your unknown. Anytime you are solving a problem, use any letter of the alphabet to represent it. So in this case, let's say let the number that we are thinking of be, let's say x. Right? And multiply it by 4. That is this number x multiplied by 4. That is 4x. You have multiplied by 4. I hope you are getting me. Right? So the result, that is the result that after multiplying the number by 4, the result is greater than or equal to. So you can see what we have there. Greater than or equal to. So which is represented by this greater than or equals to twice. Take note of it. Twice the number. That is twice the number means that you multiply the number by what? By 2. So that is twice the number. Right? Twice the number subtracted from 12. You have to be very careful here. Twice the number is subtracted from, that is the twice of the number is subtracted from, that is you are removing it from 12. Not that 12 minus x. If you write it this way, you'll be wrong. Because the question says that twice the number is subtracted from 12. That is, you are removing twice the number from 12. So in this case, it's going to be 4x greater than 12 minus what? Minus 2x. I hope this is very clear. So find the number. So this is how you interpret it. And it's very simple. Very simple. What you just need to know is that take it one by one. Don't rush yourself. When you stop here, look at the next one, interpret it, look at the next one, and make sure you read in between the lines. Don't just read as if you are reading newspaper. Right? You read and try to digest and understand the statement before you interpret. So that is that of this one. So let's now solve this. And you can see that we have linear inequality. We can then solve by saying 4x. So these 2x will come here and become what? Plus 2x. Greater than equals to what? 12. Alright? So 4x plus 2x will give us what? 6x. Greater than equals to 12. So it is x we're looking for. Therefore, x, we divide both sides by what? 6 by 6 greater than equals to 12 divided by what? 6. This cancels this. So x is greater than equals to 6 here 1, 6 here what? 2. X is greater than equal to what? 2. Find the number. So the number are, so x, the number, because the question asks, we are not looking for x. The question, think of a number. Find the number. We now write the number. If it is in theory, the number, so we can see x is greater than and equals to, so between the number x, the range of number is not only 1. You know, I've told you before, when you are solving inequalities, sometimes you get a value or you get more than one value. Exactly. So in this case, the number is 2 and so 2, 3, 4. 2 and the number greater than what? 2. Are you with me? So x, which is the number, could be 2, could be 3, could be 4, and could be 5, and so on and so forth. Because you can see it's not a single value. This is not equals to x, equals to 2. How is very clear. That's the first example. So let's look at another example. Example 2, we have Olu is X years old. In 4 years' time, his age will still be less than 12 years. Find the maximum age of Olu to the nearest whole number. So let's interpret that. Olu is X years old. The age of Olu now is what? X. In 4 years' time, that is 4 years plus his age now, it will be what? Still be less than 12. So how do we interpret that? So in 4 years' time, so his age is what? X plus 4. Just like, assuming I'm 5 years old now. So in the next 4 years, I'll be what? That is 5 years plus the next 4 years, making it 9 years. So that is what is meant by this one. Is that clear? So in 4 years' time, his age will still be, that is, this age will still be less than 12. That is, it should be less than 12. Do you understand interpretation? Let me repeat that again. In 4 years' time, that is X plus 4, this age will still be less than 12. So find the maximum age. So first, before we come to this interpretation of find the maximum age, let's solve this first. So this will be X less than 12 minus 4. That means X less than what? 8. I hope that is clear. So X is less than 8. This is not what we're looking for. We are looking for the age. So find the maximum age of Olu to the nearest whole number. So we are saying that the age of Olu, which is X, is less than 8. Please take note of it. Olu's age is less than 8. That's the meaning of this X. Olu is X. This age is less than 8. So how do we interpret that? Means X. What are the numbers that are less than 8? So we have 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We can have 0, right? Now, the question now is that find the maximum age of Olu. So what is the maximum value of X that we have there? 7. So which means Olu's age is what? 7 years old. I hope that is very clear. Example 3. So if 7 is subtracted from 3 times a certain number, the result is not less than 70. Find the range of values of the number. So let's interpret this. 7 is subtracted from what? 3 times a number. So let the number, that's the first thing we do. Let the number be what? Let's say y in this case. So let the number be y. So 3 times a number will be what? 3y. Now 7 is subtracted from it. That is minus 7. The result is not less than, this is where we're going now. The result is not less than. Do we have anything like not less than in the inequality symbol? We don't have, but we can create that. Look at this. This is greater than, this is less than, this is greater than, equals to, less than, equals to. One of these is the interpretation of is not less than. Let's look at this. It's not less than 70 means what? It's not less than 70. When you have something that is not less than 70, this is less than, but it is not less than 70. That means it is greater than 70 and also equals to what? 70. That's what it means. Something is not less than 70. For example, I can tell you that okay, my age is not less than 5 years. 5 years. So what's the meaning of that? That is, my age could be what? 5 years and above. That's what it means. My age could be what? 5 years and so not less than 70 means that it is what? Equal to 70 and also what? Greater than what? 70. So that's how we're going to interpret. That's greater than equals to what? 70. How is this very clear? Good. So that is how to interpret this. Not less than means what? Greater than and equal to or equals to. So in this case, we are not going to solve this. That's going to give us 3y greater than equals to 70 plus what? 7. So this will give us 3y greater than equals to 77. Right? So we divide both sides by 3 by 3. 3 cancel 3. So y greater than equals to 3 in 7. That is what? 3. 2. Remainder what? 1. 3 in 17. That gives us what? 5, which is 15. Remainder what? 2. All over what? All over 3. Find the range of value of the number. So the range of value of the number is this. So that is the answer. I hope this is very clear. Okay, so let's look at the last example. First example. So we have 3 consecutive odd numbers. So let's, the meaning of consecutive numbers are numbers that are increasing in sequential order. For example, it could be 1, 2, 3, 4. Like the difference between them is what? 1, 1, 1. You can have another one to be what? 4, 7. So this is by 3. This is going to be 10, right? 13. So all these are what we refer to as consecutive numbers. That is, they are increasing or decreasing in sequential order. So now, the question has 3 consecutive odd numbers. That is, are these. So we're given this, and this, that they are odd numbers. And you can confirm that this number is an unknown because this is 3, 5, 7. Now, the sum of these numbers, that if we add all these numbers together, x plus 3 plus x plus 5 plus x plus 7 cannot be greater than 201. Cannot be greater than. So how do we interpret that? It's just like what we just the third example we explained now. So cannot be greater than. So which means cannot be greater than this or that. It's either this number is equal to 201 or less than it. You can see cannot be greater than means less than or equals to 201. So which means we're going to have less than equals to 201. So in practice we are saying that when you have is not less than, it's not less than the same thing as having greater than equals to, right? And is not greater than means less than equals to. Oh, I hope I'm making sense. So in this case, this is what we have here. 3x plus x plus x will give us 3x, right? 3 plus 5, 8 plus 7, that is 15, less than equals to 201. So we have 3x less than equals to 201 minus what? 15. And that is 3x less than equals to 201 minus 15, 1, 6, 8, 186. So we divide both sides by 3, 3 cancel 3, x less than equals to 3 here 1, 3 here 6, 3 here 2. So that is x less than equal to what? 62. So this is the range of value of what? X. I hope this is very clear. So that's what we're going to stop in this video. So this is what we're going to stop today in this class. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and make sure you turn on your notification bell. So anytime I release video like this, you'll be the first to get notification of it and benefit from it on time. You can as well share this video with your loved ones. And so meet in our next class. So bye for now.